Hey guys, how you guys doing today? I'm doing great by the grace of God. You guys already know what it is, as the title say. I'm on vacation, but guys, what I'm gonna do in this video is that I'm gonna give you guys a room tour, and I'm going to show you guys what I did, like dinner time, when it's dinner time, breakfast time, and then when we at the beach. I'm going to show you guys almost everything on this video. It's a part 2 of my vacation, guys. Let's watch together. Right here is the name of the hotel, it's Dream Onyx, and here is the lobby. I'm going to check in. I'm done checking in, guys. I'm walking up to the room, so stay tuned so you can see the room tour.
In the bedroom.
Okay guys, we are in the bedroom right now. This is the bed and our TV is right there, and we have an extra room there where, like, we call it a sitting room. And we have a couch there, and they leave some foods on the table in that sitting room. And we're going to the balcony now, and I'm gonna try to open the balcony door. I don't think I'll be able to open it. So yeah, and we have a hot tub in the balcony if we wanna. Yeah, I think I have a video of in the hot tub already. So going back to the bedroom, guys. Okay, my luggage still on the floor. I haven't unpacked yet, and this is my bathroom. This bathroom, what I like about it is 2 sinks. Okay. Yep, and my towels are there. And this is the shower for the bathroom, and the toilet is also separate from where the sink is in the shower. I really like this hotel. Everything is nice about this hotel. Okay guys, I'm in a hurry. Enough of the hotel. See you guys at dinner time.
Yes. Lemon drunk. Yes.
Lemon drunk. Okay guys, it's the next day, so I just woke up and I just got out of the balcony. So I'm just looking at my nice view, and this is my hot tub. Like I said, I have a video of me in the hot tub. So before I get ready to go to breakfast, so I just got out of the balcony and just watching this beautiful view, just looking at it. It's a beautiful thing. So yes guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to go to breakfast. See you guys. Okay, I'm ready now. We are ready. We're going to breakfast, and after breakfast we're gonna go to the beach, guys. Just keep watching, guys. Just keep watching so you guys can see everything.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And
What?
I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning.
Going to the beach, 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 beach. Man.
Our food is here.
Oh, that's the small one.
Small one, yeah.
Oh. Look at this. Jesus Christ. Get on this one. Okay, now it's dinner time and the next day. Okay, so yes guys, this dinner, they cook the food right in front of you guys. Just watch how he's gonna do it. It's so much fun. Hey! Yes.
Arrocito. Oye, seguimos con los vegetarianos.
Neon, oh. AJ, you better catch it. AJ, open your mouth. AJ, do it. Ah, no. No, that's chicken. That's chicken. He's making the food.
Next time you guys come to Miami, you gotta go to the place. There's a place in Little Haiti.
Yeah! Okay. Arriba! Aceto! Oh my AJ. He just wanna eat. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.